In this video, we will talk about the functionality of the Actions section. Actions is a tool that allows the user to participate in an automation scenario by using a web form to enter data. Unlike using the attended robot that serves the same purpose, this method does not require a license, and to operate it, all you need is network access and a web browser. Let's look how this works with an example. We have a robot that recognizes information on scanned invoices for subsequent entry into a system. The robot uploads the original file to Orchestrator's storage and creates a new task containing the recognized data and a link to the file as parameters. To make sure the recognition is correct, the results need to be verified by a human. Let's see how it looks from the end user's perspective. We see a list of unverified tasks and an empty form. When selecting task, the form is filled with task's parameters values. By comparing the values of the fields with the original document, which we also observe in the form, we can edit the parameter values and save the changes. When saved, a task will be marked as approved, will disappear from the task list of the section, and will be able to be processed by the robot responsible for entering information into a system. Now, how a developer set up this behavior? This is a robot that recognizes a PDF document. The recognition itself is placed in a sub-diagram. The point of interest here is that the recognized data is stored in variables. The product list as data table, supplier name and order number as text. The value of variable that stores the URL of the PDF file is populated by the block that uploads the file to Orchestrator storage. At the end of the process, a new task is created in a specific queue. It is given the tag OCR. This will be useful in order to distinguish the verified results from unverified ones. We set the contents of our variables as a task parameters. So, parameter name order contains variable order, and so on. Let's see how it goes. Let's go to storage. Here is our original PDF file, which was recognized by the robot. It is uploaded to storage. And now let's move to the queues section. We can see that a new task has been created, and it stores all the parameters we have set. Here are the recognized by the robot order number, supplier name, and data table with products. And in the PDF file parameter, the robot saved a direct link to the file it uploaded to Orchestrator's storage. To create a convenient form for checking the results, go to the Actions section. Let's create an action and call it OCR Checker Orders. Select the queue where the corresponding task should appear. Let's filter tasks by the OCR tag. Filtering by task status is also available. In the Action Buttons tab, you can create buttons that will perform actions you configure. I need a button that will save the changes, won't change the status of the task, but will add the proof tag to it and remove the OCR tag. Now let's go to Form Builder. You can see a variety of form elements that you can add to it, such as checkboxes, password fields, images, and so on. You can resize edit elements, change the order, and delete. In our case, we need to add 2 text fields, 1 table, and PDF display widget. Each such block has settings where you can specify a title, hints, and, most importantly, substitute a value from the task parameter. In our task, there is a parameter order. To substitute its value, you need to specify its name in this field. I will do the same for supplier name, product list, and PDF. And let's save the form. In the Access tab of the Action setting, you can get a link for the end user. And we have created a convenient tool to verify the machine-recognized data. But Actions can provide other use cases. For example, you can build an action that creates new tasks in a queue rather than editing existing tasks. Feel free to experiment and build your perfect automation.